Hello, good afternoon. Today I show you this Mitsubishi Euro 5 EGR. This is Euro 5 Mitsubishi 4-bitten EGR. EGR system. What is this called? Out of range means 25 to 35 range, but our scanner showing 38. It means I show you what's the issue. See, this is the issue. This is here leaking. This EGR pipe here leaking. That's the issue. But I have to open this system, clean, and I'll show you how to open and how to fix it. Okay, just wait. First, properly like that, holding this EGR. Okay, the bench wise. Then Torex number 40 Torex. Okay, T40. See? Okay, this is this 2 bolt like that. Like that. See, you can see up here this what's the issue. Okay, it's straight. Here is throttle. This is the throttle, EGR throttle, this one. See, throttle is working properly. See, no stuck up. See, it's okay. Throttle is okay. Then we have to open this one. This is the issue, main issue. This one, this leaking from here. See, you can see here the black smoke coming out from here. This is the problem. Okay, I will open after I will show. This old bolt, this round bolt old, this old bolt 30, Torex 30. Okay, also here Torex 30, Here total 7 bolt. Okay, T30 7 bolt. Also here, don't forget here one have. It has one more here. Okay. Don't forget here. Don't punch here. This valve body don't punch here. This controller, EGR controller. Total 8 volt. Then see, no much carbon here, but we should to clean here one time properly. See, this is EGR cooler, exhaust gas cooler. This is cooler. Okay, cooler. Okay, I'll open other side. This side. Total 1, 2, 3, 6 bolt. Okay, Torex 30. Same. This packing, careful, this packing. Okay, careful. This need to clean. This packing, careful. This packing. That. Then see little carbon. It has little carbon. So we have to clean this one properly. Carbon deposit, much carbon deposit. Okay, we'll see after cleaning. See, after clean that, like that. Okay, after clean it like that, then we have to clean this one. This cleaned by brake cleaner. Okay, then clean by brake cleaner. After, you should to put little WD-40 for the lubricating this shaft. Okay, okay, we'll see next video how to fix this one. Okay.